In this video, we will show the necessary steps for the periodic maintenance, cleaning and greasing of carbon T-hubs. Before starting, make sure you have the following tools, otherwise contact your trusted mechanic. Unscrew the locking grub screw with the X wrench and turn the bearing preload clockwise, loosen, in the case of the rear hub, so that it relieves the pressure on the hub's bearings. Turn counterclockwise in the case of the front hub. Use two 18mm full contact hexagonal socket wrenches to avoid damaging the hexagons of the hub's internal axle. We recommend USAG 235 models. Put a socket wrench in a vise, insert the hub axle into it and unscrew the axle end counterclockwise with the second socket wrench attached to the lever. Use a plastic hammer to remove the axle by tapping lightly. Once removed the freewheel, pay attention to the nylon washer between the two bearings. In reassembly, it should be placed in the same position. Maintenance, clean the used grease and lubricate with specific grease. With reassembly, make sure that the bearing preload is completely loosened by turning clockwise until it stops. Turn counterclockwise in the case of the front hub. Condition of the bearings. If the bearings need to be replaced, we recommend viewing the dedicated video. Insert the axle. Insert the previously removed nylon washer and position the freewheel, taking care to insert the poles in the toothed ring by pressing them lightly. manually, and then tighten it with the hex sockets. Using a torque wrench at a tightening torque of 6/8 Nm. Tap the axle with a plastic hammer from the outside so that the axle end is in contact with the hub's external bearing. Turn with fingers only the bearing preload by turning it counterclockwise until it stops. From this position, take a quarter turn back to release the pressure slightly, and then close the grub screw. Tap the hub axle slightly from both sides and mount the wheel on the bike. For further information, please visit www.carbon-ti.com. In the download section, you will find the list of detailed instruction manuals of all products.